Hey, what's up, guys? This is Rusty from Tears Airsoft, and an update video on the portable charger. Last time you saw this, there was a circuit board and everything was touching and it was all gross looking. Now I got it resoldered. There's nothing touching. So, got the circuit board, everything. Everything's good. Everything's good. Got the wrote down that this is the 10, this is the 22, this is the regulator. Got everything. Then I tested the LED, so it works. Nice and green. Got the switch still right there. I'm gonna turn it sideways. Got the USB. So when this is done, it'll be right there. Battery be right there. It'll be shut. You flip the switch, the light comes on, and you can plug in your battery or iPod.